Hi, I'm Randy with bbqguys.com. Today we're taking a look at our own brand of barbecue islands, and I'm really excited about this, guys. You'll be able to customize your colors and equipment. It's even backed by a lifetime warranty. Let's check it out. The bbqguys.com line of outdoor barbecue islands are the perfect addition to any backyard. They're also more affordable than taking on an outdoor kitchen construction project. You can even take them with you if you move. These BBQ Guys islands are available in 4-foot and 6-foot wide configurations. They're built with concrete countertops, which are available in a wide variety of colors, allowing you to choose what matches your particular space the best. For maximum durability, these bbqguys.com islands are framed with galvanized steel, wrapped with an inner layer of cement board, which lies underneath the exterior layer. The outside walls are fiber cement board with a wood grain texture, which blends nicely with the painted wood trim of the island. Just like the countertops, the island walls and trim have a wide range of color options to choose from. Customization doesn't stop at just the colors. For both the 4- and 6-foot islands, you have the option to choose your grill and choose your storage underneath. For 6-foot islands, choose your fridge to keep cold beverages close at hand, and you can also choose a side burner or go without if you would prefer more counter prep space. For added safety, BBQ Guys islands come with several stainless steel vent panels. When it comes to delivery and installation, we've got you covered. Every BBQ Guys island package includes white glove delivery. This means our guys will set up the island where you want it and then dispose of the packaging. Please note, depending on your installation, you may need a licensed gas and electrical professional to complete the install. Thanks for watching today, guys. If you have any questions about our BBQ Guys islands, give us a call or visit us online. And remember, at bbqguys.com, we smoke the competition.